So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search packages here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia app. Once that is done, go to the bottom left and press on home right here. Then go to the top to where there's a bunch of different icons, and simply right in the middle here beside cars and things to do, you can go ahead and press on packages. So that's one way to do it. Another way you can also do it here is to go to the bottom left here, press on the search icon in between home and trips, then go to at the top here where it says things to do, or sorry, packages right here in the sort of the bottom left here at the top, press on packages. Then once you're here, you can go to hotel plus flight, flight plus car, a whole bunch of different packages here, flight, hotel, and car, whatever it may be. You can select the information, so flying from, flying to, select flight dates, room, economy, etc. Once that's done, press on search, and pretty simple, so straightforward here. Go to the bottom left, press on search, then press on packages, or go to the bottom left, press on home, go to the top here, press on packages right here, and it'll do the exact same thing. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search packages here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.